Hey everyone, today I'll be walking you through how to create a comparative bar graph in Google Sheets. First thing you need to do is organize your data properly in the spreadsheet. Set up your data in columns with headers in the first row. Your first column should contain your category labels. These could be months, products, whatever you're comparing. Then each column after that should contain the numerical values for each data series you want to compare. So for example, if you're comparing revenue from two different sources, you'd have one column for each source. Make sure that first row has clear descriptive headers. Google Sheets will use these to create your legend later. Once your data is structured, select the entire data range. Click and drag to highlight everything including those headers. You want the whole table selected, all your category labels and all your data columns. Now go up to the top menu and click Insert, then select Chart from the dropdown. When you do this, Google Sheets will automatically insert a chart into your worksheet, and you'll see the Chart Editor panel open up on the right side of your screen. In that Chart Editor panel, make sure you're on the Setup tab. Look for the Chart Type drop-down menu near the top. Google Sheets might have already suggested a column chart for you, but if it's showing something else, click that drop-down and select Column Chart. That's what Google Sheets calls a vertical bar chart. This will give you those nice grouped bars for each category, so you can easily compare your different data series side by side. While you're still in the Setup tab, verify that the data range field shows the correct cells you highlighted, and check that the series section lists all your data columns. Google Sheets should have picked this up automatically. Now let's customize the chart. Click the Customize tab at the top of the Chart Editor panel. Find the Chart and Axis Titles section and expand it. Here you can edit your chart title. Give it something clear that immediately tells viewers what they're looking at. If you want to change the colors of your bars, scroll down in the Customize tab and expand the Series section. You'll see a drop-down where you can select each data series individually. Click the color box next to Fill Color to pick whatever color you want for that series. You can also adjust other elements in the Customize tab. You've got sections for legend, horizontal axis, vertical axis, and grid lines. Expand any of these to change things like legend position, axis labels, or grid line formatting. Finally, click anywhere on the chart to select it, then drag it to wherever you want it positioned on your spreadsheet. You can also drag the corner handles to resize it so it fits your layout nicely. Here are a few things to keep in mind. The chart will automatically update if you change any of the underlying data in your table, so you don't need to recreate it. If you want to show the exact values on top of each bar, go back to Customize, Expand Series, and check the box for data labels. And if you want to save the chart as an image, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the chart and select Download. You can export it as a PNG, PDF, or SVG file. Thanks for watching.